What we got here, public parking garage in Toronto, Ontario. This is the municipal car park number 1, Charles Hayden parking garage. Officially opened November '96. And here it is. Call it. I like that button. It looks pretty nice. It's an OTIS. Yep, and it's a Gen2. Here it comes. Okay. P7. Oh, he's got a color theme here. Nice. I like that. For 2. Here we go. You're going to pick up somebody up when we go back down. You're on this P7. Cab view. Kind of a fuchsia color. I just want to make sure. Its capacity is 134 kilograms, 15 persons, or 2,500 pounds. Here are fixtures. OTIS. Start with V4. V1. And that is it. Here comes the yellow over here at the Charles Hayden parking garage here in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. In the blue Yorkville area. And we just missed it. It's another OTIS. Gen2, I believe. So yeah. Call it. Focus camera. Come on. There we go. Okay, here it comes. Very similar to the over on the south side, but doors on the left. So here we go. Just keep an eye on the. Oh, there's enough spelling here. I think I've been in that one already. P7.
Going down.
Or go back to P1. Don't press the alarm button. Sorry. Oops. I'll take there. Same capacity as the other one. This is over number 1 though. Cab view. Pretty much the same like the other one. I like how they color the every floor. That's the way to go. P1.
P1.
That's faster leveling too than the other one. And that's it.